Guys, it's Nick. I'm here at Monastiraki Saturday night around 1:20, and I can't get my train to go home. So I guess I'm going to walk a little bit to Omonia and then probably take a cab from there. Funny thing is, at Monastiraki over here is the green line number 1 and the blue line number 3. And I read someplace that the metros are open till 3 o'clock, 2 or 2:30 in the morning on Saturday. I'm wrong about that. So I go over there and they're cleaning the station for the 1 line, the green line, that goes up to Patisia. And the lady there, she spoke a little English, and I said, hey, what's the story with the train? She said, oh, it's finished. She said the metro is finished, but not the train. And so basically what she's saying is the blue line number 3 is considered a train, and that is still running because it goes all the way out to the airport. But the green line number 1 and probably number 2, the red line, are considered metros and shut down earlier. So be aware what time your train shuts down before you come out here, especially if you live far out, because it could be an expensive taxi ride. So it's late, and there's a lot of people that had a lot of fun, and now they're drunk and heading to go home or maybe eat something before they go home. And this is a really good pita place, Just Pita, I think it's called. But I've basically been eating just pitas for a lot of days now, and I would like to find some pizza. So I'm curious to see what Omonia is like. Tonight, Saturday, it's going to be about 1:30 by the time I get there. And as lively as some of these side streets over here between Athena and Monastiraki is, this street is relatively quiet except for those young guys singing. I wonder if the buses run all night or they close along with the metro. Not really sure. So straight ahead is the fish market, and I can actually smell fish right now, even though they're not open. That's a loud bite. So here's the fish market. They're not open yet, but they actually probably open in like 3 hours or something like that. So they're probably going to be loading up pretty soon. And these guys are having a grand old time over here. An impromptu concert, Greek concert at the fish market. Can't beat that. That's pretty interesting. I wonder, do they work at the fish market and they're just waiting to start, or that's their hangout on Saturday night? I don't know. I forgot what these buildings are, some kind of government buildings. Let's see, the last time I was here there was some kind of beer festival going on here. But now it's pretty empty. So Omonia is one block up, and I could see the fountains going. And there's like some outside restaurant over here. Let's see how it is late at night. I'm wondering if there's still people out here. Now it looks like that restaurant is closed. Oh no, wait, I see people there. Yep, there's still people out here, and it is, what time is it? It's about 1:30. So there's a lot of hotels around here. And a lot of people wonder if this is a dangerous area at night, especially maybe women who are traveling alone, or maybe just with another female or something like that. They worry about stuff like that. And I see a lot of those questions in my videos. And so I gotta say, this is not the safest area for sure, but look how it is at 1:30 right now. It looks, pretty decent, and it looks, like I said, it looks a lot better since they fixed up this center here. Before it was just all construction and it looked kind of run down. Now it looks a lot nicer, and maybe that's attracting more people and more businesses and stuff. So maybe it's gotten a lot safer since maybe like 3 years ago or something like that. Guys, that's a look at a little walk around late night Saturday night from Monastiraki to Omonia. And since my train is shut down for the night, I guess I'm taking a cab. I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.